Okay, in this demo, we're going to take a look at how you can create an organizational unit structure in Windows Server 2008. So first of all, I'm going to expand my domain, my Sterling MV domain, and you can see I get a number of default containers here. I've already created a structure for my New York office. Now what I want to do is go ahead and create one for my London office. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to go into New, Organizational Unit, and I'm calling this my London HQ. Let's click OK, and I'm going to go ahead and create some sub-OUs to match my company structure. So I can say in here, right, we're going to have an OU for IT support, and I'm going to create another one, let's say for my marketing department. And to be honest, you can even drill down even further if you want to. I could put in here, for example, users. And I can also have computers. You'll notice a new feature in Windows Server. You get this checkbox here that says Protect Container from Accidental Deletion. I tell you, we've been waiting a long time for that one. And to be honest, a lot of customers have said to me, yeah, that sounds great, Andy, but can you still do that in Windows Server 2003? Well, actually, you can. Let me just show you. If you go into Advanced Features, so View, Advanced Features, I'm going to go into my London, go into Marketing, and if I go into Properties, you can now see that you get a number of different sheet tabs. And one of those, of course, is the Object Sheet tab, and this is where you get the option now to protect the object from accidental deletion. So how do you remove that feature? That's what you need to do. You need to go into the Object Sheet tab and remove that checkbox. But let me just show you what happens in the security area here. So here what we have is you've got the Everyone, and you can see you've got the option here to delete all child objects, and this is actually denied. So if you are using Windows Server 2003, you can add this permission manually rather than having the checkbox, but the interface is a little bit nicer. So there you have it. Again, a powerful feature. So rather than having all your users, all your computers in just these default locations, it makes a lot more sense to manage them by creating an organizational unit structure that best meets your requirements. Of course, one of the real advantages of organizational units is I can now go ahead and apply, for example, group policies on these if I want to enforce my desktops or deploy software. Now, that's one place to create organizational units, so you can do it through Server Manager. Another way that you can also do this is by using a command line tool. So if I just open up a command line here, you've got a number of tools that you can use. You can use the ds add command. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you the syntax for this. So if I just scroll up, you get lots of information here. So you can see you can use the ds add to add computers, contacts, groups, organizational units. And again, you get a complete listing of how to put that together. So again, if you like scripting or command line tools, you have a number of options. You can use the ds add or you can use Server Manager.